Hello, hello, my beloved waking gods and goddesses. Welcome to Love, Truth, and Beauty. Do it yourself, spiritual awakening for divine in the flesh. Now the replays on IGTV at dakini.kiss, where together we learn how to surf and navigate the ups and downs of the totality of human experience, composing a new earth beyond the limitations of this perception, managed reality matrix of five senses, having discovered our true divine creative natures in our true sensual sensorial universe of seven senses, creating formless into form outside of the matrix in the true quantum field creation field universe. Before we get started, please do give this video a thumbs up. Please also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, selecting the all setting so that when I upload videos, the YouTube will let you know. I generally upload Tuesdays and Fridays, 2 p.m. Eastern. My name is Maria West, and I am your hostess of the highest, here to download, upload, inspire, and usher you into your bestest and brightest selves, your bestest and brightest light, and inviting you all to open your hearts wider and wider and wider still. Hello, my love bugs, my darlings, my sweeties. Welcome to Post-Turkey Day, episode 199, installment number 21. Of our Love, Truth, and Beauty Quickie Kiss, Keep It Simple, Sexy rant. And instead of ranting, I am devoting this 21 installment to shout-outs of love and appreciation, and in no particular order. 2021 has been a year of mundo, bizarro, cray, as well as lots of love, truth, and beauty coming my way. Shout out to Mark Passio and Leiha Boone of One Great Work Network for inviting me to join their table of content creators of the truth. Yeah, I salute you both. Shout out to Bootsy Greenwood, also known as Owen Hunt, my fellow transurfer, for your ongoing support and friendship and introducing me to the crew at Content Safe. Which leads us to a shout out to Content Safe for your epic tacky cushion, providing me confidence in never getting gutted of my content ever again. Thank you, Matt. Thank you to my posse of girls. All right. Karen Goldstein, Aliky Kouroupis, Katherine Buckalew, Mia Montgomery, Irene Stadnyk, Kaya Marie, and Erin Shannon for the laughs and the no shit, no holds barred bits of truth and girly time and fucking laugh out loud humor. Oh my God. Setting my ass straight, y'all, during those times of what the fuck is going on? You know, those times when I hit the wall and go splat. Shout out to Dom Tremblay and Bryan Cirillo for your confidence in my softness and truthfulness in the work and content that I create day in, day out, and for supporting my work through your invitations to collaborate. I appreciate you young men so much. I can't even tell you. In fact, I want to cry. I want to cry because of it. I love you both. Shout out to my friend Doc, you know who you are, for holding space for me during those times when I needed a strong masculine force who could handle the fray when I hit the wall because of the worst of humanity stuck in the matrix. Okay, I love you, Doc. Thank you so much. I could not get through a lot of the stuff without your guidance and without your reflection and without you holding space. Shout out to Peter Eglinton, Vedic astrologer and artist extraordinaire, for reaching out to me via the YouTube and from the land of Oz and getting the Vedic balls rolling, so to speak. Our conversations, my dear, have been rich and nourishing, and they still reverberate to this day. I hope you're doing well. Sending you big love and appreciation. Shout out to Brittany Frere for your beauty and brilliance, my young friend, and for connecting me to Zach Street. Thank you, Zach, for your epic reading, Vedic reading, you know what I'm talking about, that has led me to further simplify and prepare for what's to come in 2022. Shout out to my beautiful soul sister, Sarah Verba, astrologer, my tarot guide goddess, for holding that space of growth and vulnerability and initiation and completion year in and year out. Thank you. Thank you, my sweetheart. Shout out to Jess Garcia and Galia Bryan for your out of the matrix support and collaboration. I am so looking forward to expanding this work of ours with the both of you. Thank you so, so much. Shout out to my friend and colleague, Adam Finnegan. Yes, for your deep friendship and love of scorpions and the daturas and the other baneful plants and the jinns, and for hand-holding my expansion into yet another iteration of my work through your building of the new LoveTruth&Beauty.com website. I am so blessed that you are in my life. I am blessed and I love you. Thank you. Shout out to Mohil Jawad, fellow transurfer and my hacking partner of the technogenic system. I thank you, Mohil, for seeing me and for waltzing in and out of those shitstoms with me, inviting me to collaborate and join our RT family. Shout out to my beloved Christopher. Thank you for the last 18 months, my love, of infusing me with love hormones for the very first time in my entire life, and for sharing your family and friends and humor and magic with me. I love you, baby. Mwah. And shout out to all my viewers here. You all rock. And I wish you love, truth, and beauty. I thank you so much for being here with me. I can't do this work without you. Thank you all for your donations and your support, your input, your emails, your texts, your DMs, your follows, your likes, your also criticisms. I really appreciate that. Okay, my loves, holy haze days craze is upon us. That is my speech. Here's to your love, truth, and beauty, my divine ones. Until next time, mwah!